Hey y'all, it's your girl Dominique. Welcome back or welcome to Dom Budgets. Today I am doing my cash stuffing bi-weekly video where I will be stuffing my personal wallet, sinking funds, and sometimes savings, but I probably won't do that today. So with that being said, we're just going to go ahead and get started. So first we're going to do my personal wallet. As you can see, it is completely empty this time. I need to take this change out. And I have a coin collection. I actually keep my change, and y'all know the big teddy bear animal crackers in the clear jar. That's what I keep my change in. And it's actually almost full. So I've been thinking about what I want to do with that once I cash the change in. But anyway, so first we're going to do personal, and that's going to get $80, and it's going to get 4 20s. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80. And I plan on ordering some more envelopes. This one is like tearing up on me so bad. So I need to get another personal one. Yeah, I will be ordering that soon. Groceries is going to get 120 this time. It's going to get 6 20s. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 120. And it's getting 120 because I need to get some toiletries, and I believe I need a few cleaning products too. So gas is going to get 70, and it's going to get 3 20s and 2 5s. That's 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. I feel like gas has went down some, so I'm able to stuff a little bit less for that. Tithes is going to get 50. It's going to get 2 20s and a 10. 20, 40, 50. Oh, and nails is going to get 60, so that's 3 20s. 20, 40, 60. I'm going to get some birthday nails. My birthday is coming up. It is on the 21st. I will be closer to 30, y'all. Can't even believe it. So that is that. And as far as bills, I go ahead and put that aside. I put this in a separate envelope, and you see it says deposit. So I do that before I separate my cash and sinking funds. So next is our sinking funds wallet, and I'm going to be stuffing a little bit more for that. So emergency funds, it's getting 50. Today is the 6th. That's 50. That's 150, and it's going to get 2 20s and a 10. So that's 1, 2, 50. It's going to count it to make sure. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50. So y'all, we are building up my sinking funds once again. So glad about that. car maintenance is going to get 50 as well. Plus 50, so that's 200. And that's going to get 2 20s and a 10, 20, 40, 50. Oh, wait, that's not 2. Oh, it is 200. Oh, thought I messed it up. Thought I got ahead of myself. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. Travel is getting nothing. I think I need to switch this out. Well, I can write a little bit more on that. Medical is getting 100. Well, I need to actually switch this out. Uh-oh. I'm just going to write it at the top for now. I meant to do that last time, but I forgot. So 6 plus 100. Right now I have 80, so that's 180, and it's going to get 5 20s. 5 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a dental appointment coming up, and I also need to get some vitamins. I've run out of vitamins. So that is that. Decor is getting nothing. Gifts is going to get 10. Aside from my birthday, my other friend's birthday is coming up in November, so I want to have some money set aside for that. But you know, I gotta get mine out the way, of course. So that's 10. It's going to get 110. I hope the camera's not too shaky, y'all. I think I put it too close to my table. Self-care. Oh, I actually need to put an envelope in, well, a slip in here. Self-care is going to get 110. And I want to start filling this up again, y'all. I realized I need to start having a self-care day for myself, as far as like, you know, like getting my massage, going to the chiropractor. I'm a wax specialist, so being on my feet for like 6 hours, it's really tough on your body. And yeah, I get a lot of relief when I go to the chiropractor. Or it could be for, you know, a facial or just something like that, y'all. Business is going to get 15. With business, I plan on, I think I want to start investing in more makeup and start doing freelance makeup. I'm not completely sure yet, but I want to start stuffing towards that. So it's going to get 15. So that's 15, and it's going to get a 5 and a 10. Like, I want to start stuffing my other envelopes, even if it's like $5 or $10, because I know eventually it will add up, of course. Car registration, I'm actually going to start stuffing this again. Even though my car registry isn't due until like April, I'm just going to stuff, like, if I have a few dollars left, I'm just going to go ahead and stuff that in here. Get a head start on that. And I realized, like, I need to just go ahead and start stuffing a little at a time instead of just waiting, you know, like a few months ahead or a month ahead of an expense, especially if I know something is coming up. So that is getting $3. I realized I got to do better, and I will do better. If you know better, knew better, you do better. So that is it for that wallet. This one is getting nothing. So yeah, that is it for this cash stuffing. I had $2 left, so I'm probably gonna put this in my snowball debt or personal wallet. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I will see y'all guys in my next one. Bye.